in America, they'd say, exactly. In Posh English, this is, exactly. Exactly, I bloody told you so. In Cockney English, they may say, oi, Bealey. Exactly, mate. Or in fucking Birmingham, they may say, Tommy, exactly. I already told you so, mate. Or maybe in Ireland, specifically Derry, they may say, exactly, Nathan. Or in bloody Australia, they may say, oh, g'day, Diz. That's exactly what I already told you, mate. Light the barbie so we can chuck a shrimp on it. I realise that may be very offensive to Australians, and quite frankly, I don't care. Holler at me when I come on tour. Whereas in Wales, this is, exactly. Oh, exactly. That's what I fucking said. Oh, maybe a little bit lower. Oh, exactly. That's exactly what I said to him. I didn't ask anyone. It's exactly what I said to him. So, exactly. So X is for exactly or exactly. Yeah, have a good day. Follow for more, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the living shit out of this to help me beat the old algorithm. But thanks very much, diolch yn fawr iawn, and have a good day. Oh, exactly, as I fucking said to him. Ask anyone. Oh, exactly. That's exactly what I said to him. Ask anyone.